When you don't want to spend a bunch of time and money, but you do want to freshen up your bedroom, I got 3 tips to show you how you can make that happen and spend less than $300. A headboard is one of the first things you see when you walk into a bedroom, so invest in one that's chic and stylish. Whether your style is modern or more traditional, a sophisticated upholstered headboard can help set the mood and give the whole room a more polished look. The softness not only makes the bed more comfortable and inviting, it adds to the room's restful, cozy atmosphere. Another simple way to create a more inviting bedroom is to create a stylish seating nook. Hang a couple of curtain panels in front of an existing alcove, add a comfy chair and soft lighting, and you've transformed your bedroom into a posh suite. My third tip is simple: upgrade that fan. Whether you choose a fan that blends in with the room's architecture or one with a unique finish and wow factor, remember to keep the scale in mind. The bigger the room, the bigger the fan should be. So whether you've got $50 or $500, you can still make simple changes to your space. Now that's what I call a fast fix.